Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci.
Très bien, très bien.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Okay, have you all done the homework?
Yes.
Done?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame.
Dear. Okay, so you remember in the last class, we learned how to address people, right? How to address people. We learned Monsieur, Madame, Mademoiselle, Monsieur, Madame, Mademoiselle. It is in which page number? Page number 24. You will be able to see. Page number 24.
My brother's class, I wrote it.
Okay. Good. Yes, Aiden, I saw that. Very good. Okay. I am going to share the screen and you have to try to read this.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Wait. Okay, d'accord. Rohan, try to read. Rohan.
Bonjour. Madame. Mademoiselle. Monsieur. Mesdames.
Oui.
Mademoiselle.
Mademoiselle. Repeat again, everyone. Repeat after me, all of you. Monsieur.
Monsieur.
Madame.
Madame.
Mademoiselle.
Mademoiselle.
Monsieur.
Monsieur.
Mesdames.
Madame.
Mademoiselle. D'accord. Très bien. Amaya, can you read, Amaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Monsieur.
Madame. Mademoiselle. Monsieur. Madame.
Madame. No, it is S will be silent there. This S will be silent. S will be silent.
Mademoiselle.
Oui, d'accord, très bien. Okay. So last week we learned this these titles to address which words which helps you to address people. Now today we are going to do the exercise from your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Take page number 25. Textbook, page number 25. Your textbook, page number 25. Your textbook, page number 25. Ivan, what you want to say, dear? Any doubt?
Ma'am, page number 25. Can I say the first answer?
Wait. The page is get loading. Please wait. Okay, anyway, we'll discuss the answers. Page number 25. First one, Ivan, read the question and give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. How would you greet your teachers? A, salute. B, bonjour. C, au revoir.
Oui. And the answer is?
B, bonjour.
Oui, très bien. B, bonjour. Answer is second option B, bonjour.
Ma'am, Aiden can?
Wait. Everyone mute, okay? I will call the name. So, second one answer is bonjour. Everyone put tick mark there in bonjour. All of you put tick mark there.
I already write.
You already wrote?
Yes. In my
Dako,
brother's
dako. Oh. Answer is bonjour. Can you see the tick mark I put in the
No.
No, you are not able to see.
No.
Okay, wait,
No.
wait. First one answer is bonjour. Then second one, how would you greet your friends? Aiden, how would you greet your friends? 3 options.
Bonjour. Au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
Salut.
Answer is
Salut.
oui. Très bien. Put tick mark there for salute, all of you. Then the third question, when you go to someone's house at night, you say, Esther, when you go to someone's house at night, you say 3 options are the bonne nuit, bonsoir, addama. Which one?
Bonjour.
I called Esther. Esther, come on.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A, bonne nuit.
Yes.
Answer is wrong. Any other answers?
Ma'am,
B. Option B.
C. B. C.
Who
C.
said
Option C.
Option B. Option B. Bonsoir is the right answer. Option B. Bonsoir is the right answer. Bonsoir means, what is the meaning of bonsoir? Aiden,
Good evening.
control.
Good evening. Good
Oui.
evening.
Bonsoir means good evening. And you can see the question. See the question properly. When you go to someone's house at night, just seeing the word night, don't choose bonne nuit as your answer. You have to read the question properly. When you go to someone's house, you are going to someone's house. So you have to think. You are going. Think everyone, all of you. Think. Assume that everyone, you are going to your uncle's house. Think that you are going to your uncle's house. When you go there, you will say good night, uncle, first.
No.
What will you say?
Say good evening.
You will say good evening. And while leaving from there, while coming back, while leaving from there, that time you will say good night, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So when you go to someone's house at night, you will say good evening. And then while leaving from there, you will say good night. So here the answer is bonsoir, good evening. Bonsoir, good evening is the... Pardon? Sorry?
You can set the next one.
Wait, yeah, we are going to. Then next one, all of you mute. I will ask, okay? What would you say to an older person? What will you say to an older person? Emmanuel, what would you say to an older person? Como zalevu? Trebia. Answer is como zalevu. Como sava and sava, we will used to ask your friends. We'll ask to the friends. And como zalevu, we'll ask to elders. Dako?
Yes.
Then fifth one, while leaving someone, you say Renfred. While leaving someone, you say
Au revoir.
how many Renfreds are here? I know only one Renfred in this class. Yes,
Au
Renfred,
revoir.
answer.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. While leaving someone, we say au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir means goodbye. And we are going to do the second exercise. Correct the spellings. Spellings are wrong here. There are spelling mistakes here. The second exercise, 5 words are written there. 5. The spelling mistakes are there. You have to do it. Everyone, I will give you 1 minute. Everyone have to do it in your textbook. Those who don't have textbook, you can write this in your rough book also. So write the spelling. All of you have to do individual work. And later we'll discuss the answers.
Excuse me.
We, Catherine.
I joined only now. Can you say the page?
Page number 26. Now we are in page number 26.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Correct the spelling. Exercise 2, correct the spelling. Aiden, do the work. Do the exercise, Aiden.
CO. Ma'am, I am done.
Wait. Everyone, wait. I will call. Aiden, what are you doing there, Aiden? Do the exercise. Saharish, try to do the exercise.
I did it, ma'am. I am done.
Aradhya, do the exercise. Exercise number 2, do that exercise.
Ma'am, I am doing.
You did. Oh, Trebia. Rohan completed that exercise. Rohan finished. Oh,
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Jessica, did you do that home? Did you do that exercise?
Finish.
Number 2. Full. You have to complete full. You have to complete full from 1 to 5. You have to complete the spelling of Komosava, Adama, Salyu, Oruvar, everything. Nived, complete full. Nived, complete full.
Ma'am, I come later.
Okay, those who completed, be quiet. Nived, you complete full.
No.
Complete, right.
No.
Now you do. I'm giving you time. Now you do.
The spelling mistake that we have new spelling, right?
Yeah, spelling is wrong here. That you have to correct. The correct spelling you have to write there. Nived, please keep your camera normal. Keep your camera normal.
No.
Keep your camera normal. I can see your book, but I'm not able to see you. Okay, done. Now you sit there and complete that exercise 5. Till that 5 words you try to write the correct spelling.
Ma'am, Ivan is done. Ivan normal.
Okay, Ivan. D'accord. Aisha completed?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, then let's discuss the answers. So, correct the spelling. First one I'm going to call. Ivan Nirmal, come on. You can say the answer for the first one.
Yes, ma'am. Komosava.
Komosava, oui. And the spelling?
C-O.
C-O.
M-M.
M-M.
E-N-T.
E-N-T. Como?
C-A.
C-A.
V-A.
V-A. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Done. More are there. Not complete yet. It's incomplete. What should I write here now? What should I write here now then? Others? Is it complete?
No, we have to write the symbol.
We have to write the symbol. We have to put the accent. Where we will write this accent?
On C.
On C. On letter C.
Below C.
Below C. Yes,
On
below
the
C.
C.
We have to put
C.
laxosedil. Below C, we have to put laxosedil. Now is this complete?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
One more thing we have to put.
Question mark.
Question mark. Trebia. Very good. Who said that?
Question mark. Friend.
Trebia and Fred. Question mark we have to put. This is a question. How are you? Put the question mark. Trebia. On to the second one. Let me call Anna Maria. Second one, Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Adama.
Adama. Adama. And give me the spellings.
Ma'am, next can I try?
Others, please mute. I am asking to one student, right? We, Anna, give me the spellings.
A
A,
D E
D, E,
M A
M, A,
I N.
I, N. This much?
No,
Anything else? Then
is below. We have to write a symbol.
is it A, below A or on top of A?
On top of.
On top of A, we have to put laxo. Laxo.
Graph.
Graph. We, Trebia. On top of A, we have to put laxograph. This much? Anything else?
No.
We have to put
Dot.
we have to put an exclamation mark here.
Yes.
Exclamation mark. Dako. Now this is complete. Adama.
What is exclamation?
Exclamation mark you can see here. Have put here one line and put a dot. When we express true feelings, we have to put an exclamation marks. When we say something which express our feelings, we have to put this one. Adama. Then third one, who is this iPhone 13 Pro Max?
Evelyn.
Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn. Next time onwards, please join with your name ID. Okay. And Evelyn, you can give me the answer.
Salute.
Salute. And the spelling is?
S-A-L.
S-A-L.
U-T.
U-T.
That's all.
That's all? And nothing else?
Explanation.
Oui, Trebia, exclamation mark. D'accord. Then fourth one, Aba. Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui. Yes, ma'am. How will you say in French?
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame. Please, everyone, make sure you are using these terms.
Au revoir.
Spelling is? A.
Above A, we need to put a symbol.
All one. No, we don't have to put a symbol there.
No. A-U.
A-U.
R-E-V-I-O-R.
R-E-V-O-I-R. R-E-V-O-I-R. Abba, make the correction, okay?
And put a line and put a dot.
That is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Au revoir. R-E-V-O-I-R. It is not V-I-O-R. Everyone, it is written here V-I-O-R. It is wrong. And in the answer, V-O-I-R is the correct spelling. Then the fifth one, Catherine, fifth one. Catherine?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui. Yes, ma'am. Please don't repeat. How will you say in French?
Oui, madame.
Oui. D'accord. Read. Give me the answer. Fifth one.
Oui.
Oui. And the spelling is?
B-O-N-N. E. B-O-N-N-E. N-U-I-T.
Yes. B-O-N-N-E. N-U-I-T. Yes. This much only? Catherine, anything else?
Exclamation mark.
We, exclamation mark. Okay, so second exercise is also done. Then move into the third exercise. Shall we move to the third exercise?
Yes. Oui, madame.
D'accord. We. Say we. D'accord. Help
Oui,
Didu to greet these people. Before that, let me ask you, who's this Didu? Didu, what is this?
A rat.
Yes,
rat.
Didu is a rat you can see here in this picture. Not only in this picture, throughout this book, you will be able to see this Didu. Didu is the name of this mouse, and this mouse is just 2 years old, and he is going to learn French. Okay, so along with Didu, we are also going to learn slowly French. When Didu will learn colors, we will learn the names of colors. And when Didu will learn numbers, we are also going to learn numbers with Didu. Now, here in this chapter, Didu learned how to greet people in French. And you also learned, right, how to greet people? Also learned, right, how to greet people?
Yes.
Yes, d'accord. So you have to help here, Dido, to greet these people. And in the first picture, you can see there, Dido is greeting an elder woman. So how will Dido greet that elder lady? Aiden. How will Dido? Bonjour, madame. Oui, bonjour, madame. Answer is bonjour, madame. All of you right?
BonjourMadame.
Oui, bonjour, madame. This much only? Exclamation mark. Bonjour, madame. All of you right? Bonjour, madame. Wait. Yes, second one.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Oui, très bien. Second one is
And explanation mark.
Oui. Second one is bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur with an exclamation mark. Monsieur means sir. Good morning, sir. You can see in the picture that's an elder person. Okay, so you have to put there bonjour, monsieur. Write down soon.
Then, ma'am.
Okay.
Wait.
Please wait.
Ma'am, I only is the first one. Done, ma'am.
D'accord. Shall I move to the next page?
Ma'am, mine is not done.
Okay, enough. Okay, stop. You can continue. Emmanuel, write fast.
Finished, ma'am.
Wait. Finished? Okay, let's move to the next page.
27.
Page number 27. Page number 27 here. Third picture. You can see Dido is greeting a cute little small friend. Dido is greeting a small friend. So how will Dido greet that little friend?
Bonjour.
No, not bonjour.
Salut.
Oui, the answer is salut. Answer is salut.
Explanation mark.
And exclamation mark. Oui.
Explanation mark.
Salute is the answer. And in the fourth picture,
Au revoir.
au revoir. Oui, au revoir.
Explanation mark. Explanation mark.
Oui.
Ma'am, finish.
D'accord. Those who finish, you can mute and just be there. Don't unmute and you don't have to say finish.
Ma'am, then is.
Okay. And in the fifth picture, you can see Dido is standing inside a house, and a guest is saying goodbye to him. A guest is saying goodbye to Dido, and that guest is about to leave. So what will Dido say?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Oui. Au revoir.
And explanation mark.
Okay, now we don't have, I think now everyone understood you have to put exclamation mark. Very good, Trebia. And also you can write one more here because it's going to be dark. It's going to be dark there. Please wait. It's going to be dark there. See, the guest who is going to out in the door side, you can see it's going to be dark. So that means it's going to be night. So
We
Dido
can write
say,
bonjour. Bonjour.
not bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonne nuit, bonne
Bonne
nuit. Oui, we can
Bonne
also
nuit.
write here bonne nuit because it is going to be dark, and we will say bonne nuit also if it is like this.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit, good night also we can say. So any one you can write there. If you write two also, no problem. But for exam, you need to write only one. Au revoir and bonne nuit, both you can write there. And in the sixth picture, Saharish, sixth one.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir. Très bien. Answer is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Anyone have any other answer other than bonsoir?
Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Okay, I heard that one. We can't write bonne nuit here, dear, because I know in the picture it is showing night. There is a moon there, there is star there, but we can't write bonne nuit here. See the picture carefully. One, Dido is leaving from that house. Dido is giving a shake hand, and Dido is not leaving. Désolé moi. Dido is entering that house. So see where that guest is. Yes, that guest is. Please mute. You don't have to write any other replies. And I just. I muted everyone. This only this answer you need to write. Yeah, bienvenue. Bienvenue. Dido will not say bienvenue. What is the meaning of bienvenue? Bienvenue means welcome. Who will welcome? The guest will welcome. And here the guest is this person, not Dido. Dido is not. Dido is the guest, and the one who put the green shirt is the host. That person will say bienvenue. This person will say bienvenue. Dido will say good evening. Dido will say good evening. D'accord. And I so complete. You completed this one or still writing? Okay, finish it. Finish it. I'll wait. Okay, then we have another exercise here in the same page. We have to do I have given this one as a homework to you. I have given this one as a homework to you. I hope everyone did that homework. I am going to unmute, but don't give me mass answers. I will call the names. I will call the names.
I already read the
Mute, I told. Mute, please. So here, Adrinath, first one, Adrinath.
Yes, ma'am.
First one, goodbye, will match with? Goodbye will match with?
The last one.
Last one. And what is the last one? Read. How will you say that? Goodbye in French. Pardon? Sorry? Say it again, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye. What? How will you say goodbye in French? Adranath. How will you say goodbye? See here, Dido is saying goodbye to her friend. Come on, Nive. Au revoir. Yes, au revoir. Goodbye in French is au revoir. So F, we have to match to F. Au revoir. Then second one. Good morning. Good morning. Anna Maria, good morning. Answer.
Oui, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Très bien, Anna. Ensuite, Renfred. Third one, good night.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. It's not
Bonne
noir.
nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne
Good night
nuit.
is bonne nuit. D'accord. Then the fourth one, Aiden. Fourth one, good evening. Aiden. Where did he leave? Miva. Fourth one, Miva.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Then fifth one, Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one,
Oui, madame.
welcome. Welcome.
Bienvenue.
Oui, très bien, Catherine. Ensuite, Rohan. Sixth one, Rohan. Sixth one, hi.
Hello.
Again,
Hello.
salut. Oui, salut. Sixth one answer is salut. Salut. Next page also I gave it as a homework to you. Page number 28. There is one exercise, first one. Page number 28. That also I gave it as a homework. But today we don't have enough time to discuss that one. So that exercise we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay. I'll just quickly take that